So this is the Amigo Plus. It's by a company called Vamos, which is Aussie owned. They've been around for 8 years. My name's Harry. I'm a big fan of this bike because I'm quite a tall guy, which means it helps that there are adjustable seats, an adjustable handlebar to cater for someone like me and even taller. So the loading capacity of this bike is 200 kilograms. So I can do my grocery shopping, I can put stuff in the front, I can also put my child in the back. I can strap a suitcase or a little carry-on exactly where I'm sitting. It's super handy and super convenient and makes everything super transportable. Yeah, so it has a torque sensor, so it pretty much delivers power as I pedal, super controllable and super manageable. And it comes with a 2-year warranty on all electrical parts, so you can definitely rest assured that you're taken care of. So this is a torque sensor, which means it delivers power as I pedal. Which makes it super manageable and super controllable. It also has 2-year warranty, so it's amazing that you don't have to worry about anything if anything goes wrong, which it won't. This is the Amigo Plus by a company called Vamos, which is Australian owned. They've actually been around for 8 years. Now, since I'm a tall guy, I can super appreciate the fact that this has an adjustable seat, it has adjustable handlebars. So if you're tall like me, shorter or even taller, it caters for you. The capacity of this bike is 200 kilograms, so it's perfect for my grocery shopping. I can fill stuff in the front basket. I can strap a carry-on or a duffel bag exactly where I'm sitting. Or if you've got a child like me, you can attach them to the back here.